To demonstrate how to use our cleansing system, one of our clients will show you just how easy it is. There is a lubricant packet on the tube. Remove it and throw it in the trash can. You will get onto the system just like straddling a snowmobile. You will hold the tube with one hand and use your other hand and legs to lift up a few inches and slowly slide onto the tube up to the curvature. You will slightly lift up on the tube as you're sliding down onto it. The tube will glide easily up and into the rectum. The system is engineered so the appropriate amount of the tube goes in the rectum 2 to 3 inches and is comfortable. Hold the tube in place while you lean back, then take your hand off the tube, cover up with a blanket, and ring the bell. I will come back in and start your cleanse. After you are covered and have rang the bell, I will come in and cover you with a warm blanket and additional neck and back supports as needed. A couple of things that are helpful to you during your cleanse. This is a mirror for you to see what you are releasing. This shows you the temperature of the water going in, and this button stops the flow of water so you can stop and start the session as needed. The session is all about letting go, so feel free to urinate down the system. With strong exhaust systems, there's no odor or mess, and just enjoy your session. At Colon Care, we work with one person at a time, giving you the highest level of personal attention. Some people are comfortable with a therapist in the room with them, giving abdominal stimulation and offering other support, while other clients prefer to be completely alone, where they can watch a movie, read a magazine, or just listen to music, but the therapist is available to them at all times. After your session, you will be instructed on how to come off the system and to meet us back in the lobby for an aftercare drink or to schedule your next session if you prefer. For your safety and assurance, the colon hydrotherapy rooms at Colon Care are completely disinfected. We exceed manufacturer guidelines for cleaning, and we have the highest standards in the industry for sanitation protocols. At Colon Care, we have a person dedicated to just cleaning the rooms, and we allow 20 to 30 minutes to completely disinfect a room after every session, cleaning all surfaces, including the sink, the floors, knobs and handles, and the entire system, all the external surfaces, as well as the internal tank and lines. We also adhere to very strict filter and system maintenance routines, assuring you of an absolutely clean system and room each and every visit.
A lot of things about Colon Care that make it stellar, but the one thing among others that really stands out in my mind is the cleanliness. The clinic was immaculate throughout the whole place. Every time I went, cleanliness was kind of the key factor. So you always felt like everything was clean and comfortable. The rooms were very pleasant, and the whole experience was actually very pleasant.
Colon Care's exceptional standards of expertise, professionalism, and cleanliness comprise our advanced colon hydrotherapy service. But if you have never experienced colon hydrotherapy, you might still be wondering why Colon Care is twice the price of other places. Our valued clients answer that question best.
My naturopathic doctor had recommended that I take a course of Colonics, which is something I wasn't familiar with at the time. I had never done colon hydrotherapy, so I was a little nervous my first visit to Colon Care. But the therapist was very professional, made me feel comfortable the whole time. It didn't feel like a medical process. It was actually relaxing, very relaxing environment. And when I went through the process, it was very private, which was one of my concerns going into it. And going through the cleanse process was actually pretty easy.
I came here originally because I was very fatigued. I'd had multiple surgeries and was looking for a solution to get me feeling better again. I have had other hydrotherapy sessions elsewhere, and my experience there wasn't the greatest, so I was a little hesitant to come in. The difference here versus where I've been before is really the professionalism, the knowledge, the expertise that they provide you. and it just far surpasses anything that I've ever experienced before. As a client and as coming in as a patient and having experienced other places before, this was just by far superior, and it's a place that I refer my family and my friends as well as my own clients and patients. So it's been great, I feel great, and I will keep coming back.
I was referred to colon care by my doctor. I was a little skeptical at first. I'd had a series of colonics performed at a different place, and the experience wasn't totally positive. So I went ahead and made the appointment to come on in, and it was almost immediately apparent that this was a different caliber place. I received the level of professionalism and cleanliness and attentiveness was superb.
My name is Steve Michelson. I'm a licensed massage therapist. I've been practicing in the Portland area for the last 20 years. I have a real passion for helping people achieve optimal health. I specialize in visceral and neural manipulation. This is why I highly recommend colon care. These modalities go hand in hand with this type of care. A lot of men are really uncomfortable seeing a colon therapist. I highly recommend this clinic because they really make them feel at ease.
I hope this video has answered some of your questions about colon hydrotherapy. Do you see how professional and beneficial a session of colon care can be for you? Are you ready to cleanse? To learn more about our advanced colon hydrotherapy exclusive to colon care, please visit our website at coloncarepdx.com or give us a call. We're happy to answer your questions and get you scheduled for a healthier, better you.